Another day, just get back. You can see different officers from different units. They are all back. So another day, just get back from work, guys. Whoop. It's really nice. I know that the guys tired as usual. Guess what? I'm gonna drive tomorrow. I'm gonna drive because I want to have a little bit of sleep, at least. Extra 30 minutes is enough for me to sleep more. So I don't have to get up by 4. I probably get up like 5, you know what I mean? So that is what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So get up like 5, then probably 5:20 and see what I can do. You know, I don't know if they get a traffic here. I'm gonna drive. I got a rental car, but I don't drive it. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So they pay for a rental car for me. Just give it to what they call it, valet parking. So goddamn, the elevator is in traffic. Traffic in elevator. That one is.
Christmas tree. Look at the pretty one. Yeah, you do that to me, you know what I need. No beer? No beer today? Yeah. Okay, come.
Bedtime.
What's that?
Please remove obstruction.
Oh, no. We gotta move it a little bit.
More times.
10th floor.
Yes, it is.
Going up.
Oh, he left something.
Yo, somebody dropped something.
Oh.
I don't know. Thank
Going up.
You must have for a higher floor.
I didn't have that.
Going up.
The last person, guys. I worked so hard, really hard.
15th floor.
No, it's not easy, man. Humanitarian work. A lot of people are suffering, you know. They don't even have a place to sleep. Well, I don't even know where I'm going. Yeah, this is my home. Yeah. Whew. Tired. Okay. Oh, yeah. Whew. Ooh, my phone, goddamn. phone just said, oh, my waist. Jesus. Oof. I'm going to drive tomorrow. Shit. I'm going to drive. Oh. Show a little bit of outside where I stay. Look at it. Oh. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Guys. All right, guys. I think you'll hear from me tomorrow, okay? Love you. Let me see if this place is clean. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Okay.